In this video, let us solve a system of equations which is reducible to a system of simultaneous linear equations. So here we've got a couple of equations. Let's name it, say, equation 1 and equation 2. And what we have to do here is we need to reduce these two equations first to simultaneous linear equations before we can start to solve them. 1 by 2x plus 3y equals u. And 1 by 3x minus 2y equals v. So as a result of this, the equation 1 becomes u by 2 plus 12v by 7 equals 1 by 2. And the equation 2 becomes 7u plus 4v equals to 2. So we've got two equations here. So we still have to reduce this. We have to eliminate the denominator and all. So this becomes, taking LCM, this is a 14, right? So you multiply 7 here and you multiply 2 here. Therefore, this becomes 7u plus 24v divided by 14 equals 1 by 2. And again, cross multiplying, you send 2 there and 14 there. You get 2 times 7u is 14u plus 2 times 24v is 48v equal to 14, right? So this is it. So we can still simplify this, take out 2 from all the numbers because it is a factor of everything. It's a factor of 14, 48 and 14 as well again. So we can make it 7u plus 24v equals 7. Divide throughout by 2. So here we have, let us say this is equation 3 and this was a pretty simple one. Let's call this equation 4. 7u plus 4v equals 2. So we've reduced it to the simultaneous equations, I guess. One is 7u plus 24v equals 7 and another one is 7u plus 4v equals 2. So now what we'll do is we'll take these equations, that is 7u plus 24v equals 7, and then the other equation 7u plus 4v equals 2. You can definitely solve this by any of the method that you want, either the method of substitution or by elimination, by equating the coefficients. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate the variables by equating the coefficients. So here it's already equal, so I don't even have to equate, I just have to subtract this. So let us subtract this equation from this. So what happens is this gets cancelled, so all we left out with is 20v, because 24v minus 4v is 20v equals 7 minus 2 is 5. So v equals 5 divided by 20, or 5 goes 4 times in 20, so which makes it v equals 1 by 4. So we found the value of v, which is definitely not the end of it. We've only found the value of v. So now let us substitute the value of v in, say, the equation 4. So we get 7u plus 4 times 1 by 4 equals 2. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So we have 7u plus 1 equal 2. Or 7u equals 2 minus 1, or 7u equals 1, or u equals 1 by 7. So we've also found u. So now one part of the problem is over. We found the values of v and u. So but we have to solve these equations which have got x and y. So we've got to solve for x and y. So now let us choose one of these. We've equated 1 by 2x plus 3y equal to u. So u equals this, and then v equals this. So now what we have to do is, we have to take these equations, 1 by 2x plus 3y equals u, which is nothing but 1 by 7. And we have 1 by 3x minus 2y equals v, which is equal to 1 by 4. So let us in turn make these simultaneous linear equations. All we have to do is cross multiply. So it becomes 2x plus 3y equals 7. And 3x minus 2y equals 4, right? So let us say this is equation 5 and this is equation 6. Now what we'll do is we will again solve these couple of equations by the method of eliminating the variables by equating the coefficients. So now what do you want to take out? I'll try taking out y. So what I'll do is I'll multiply this by the coefficient of y and this by the coefficient of y from equation 5. So this will be 4 times 3. So 2 times 7 is 14 and 2 times positive 3y will be positive 6y. And 2 times 2x will be 4x. Now 3 times 4 will be 12 and 3 times negative 2y will be negative 6y, and 3 times 3x will be 9x. So we just have to add these two equations. So 6y and 6y gets cancelled. 4x plus 9x is 13x. 14 plus 12 is 26. So x equals 26 by 13, which is 13 goes 2 times in 26. So we found the value of x to be equal to 2. So it's almost done. Now we just have to substitute the value of x in either equation 5 or equation 6 to find the value of y. So let me choose the equation 6, which is 3x minus 2y equals 4. So I'll substitute the value of x, which is 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 2y equals 4. So 6 minus 4 equals 2y, or 2 equals 2y, or y equals 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. So therefore the value of y is found to be 1. So this is the way we solve these equations. We first have to reduce it to simultaneous equation to find the value of u and v, and in turn get back to these things to form another couple of or set of simultaneous linear equations, and then again solve them anyhow you want, either by the method of substitution or by the method of eliminating the variables by equating the coefficients. So as a result of which we found the values of x and y to be equal to 2 and 1 respectively. So this ends this problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on simultaneous linear equations.